Right, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just joining the family, you're welcome to Blessing Best Word. We really love you. We say thank you for coming to this family, and please do not forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up as in like this video. Go to the comment and below, comment when you watch this video your opinion concerning this thing. Just go down and comment and help me to share this video. Help the ministry to move to that permanent site. Help your sister. Help your sister. So guys, in this video I'll be talking about a comment that somebody comment. So I will put a comment for the screen later, but I want to talk my own personal opinion concerning this video. So nobody should get me wrong. I just want to say my opinion concerning this video. And if you have anything to say concerning, you have something to say, just go down, say something concerning this video. Say your opinion concerning this video. This is what the person said in the comment. He said, child is made child. If God bless you with one or more, be happy. But if not, continue praying. One made child is worth more than 10 daughters. With child, your generation will go into extinction. Immediately you pass on. So, what is this person trying to say is that if you get made child, thank God. But if you never get, continue praying. And it make me understand that one made child is better than 10 daughters, because if you not get made child, your generation go lost. Now waiting the person talk. So you see that in the screen and you read this yourself. So now, are you saying that people who give birth to daughters, as in who get daughters, their generation go lost? And the women, they should not be happy when they see this kind of comments. They go moody. No. Children na blessings from God. Children na gifts from God. So boy or girl, all na blessings from them. One thing when I understand about this thing, male child or female child, the both is important. Male child is very important. Female child is very important. The thing is good. But the thing about those two people is how you train them. Male and female child, it is not just because it's male or because it's true. It is how you train them, how they grow up, how they become for society. Now go determine who they be. Not be because they be male or because they be female. On my own opinion, male child or female child, not because they be male or female, but not because on how you train them, how you discipline them, how you educate them. Why did they grow up? Now go determine what they go be for future. And I go determine you, their mother and their father, your old age. Now go determine how your old age will be. Because when your children are well trained and disciplined, you will smile at your old age. But when your children are they are not disciplined, you just train them anyhow, in your old age, you'll be crying and you'll be regretted because you get daughters, because you get 4 daughters, and your husband see they see me you born another boy, and you know say you not get that power, you not fit again. This one are agreements. No, and you know a lot of people they use statement say, now what you give me now I born. Not be waiting the man give you. The man say make the pikin for resemble ram, make the pikin for that fatherly love for day, make that likeness, make that born give you pikin. Now God, now they give children. So if God give you boy, if God give you girl, thank God. You know, recently, before I even come across this comment, I see somebody inside the bus, and I was telling the person, congratulations, oh, you don't born. And the person here, and I say yes. So he say congratulations. I say congratulations, oh, you don't born. He say yes. So thank you. Now sir, thank God for everything so far. Wait till you born. And the person reply was like, na so guess. So na guess I say, but I was like, which one be na so guess? Not be waiting God give you. Thank God. Appreciate God. And he say, I wish na boy I just born. I for just rest. If you want rest, because girls not children. No, I know say male child they important, and I know say female children they important as well. But not the way you take care of those children, not the way you train them up, not important. And just smiling until when I come across I see this comments. So all children are equal. All children dey okay, but no be say because say you be man or because say you be woman and your husband dey put pressure on you, make you born make you born boys. You know, a lot of people have lost their life because say they wan born. They don't get a lot of children. Many women say that they born not be with normal. What you need now is how to take care of those children, because if you lose your life because you want born a child, your husband will marry another woman wey go come take care of those children, and because of those children you don't put those children for bondage. So for you not to do that one, now for you to stand up, take care of your children, be happy. Male child is important, female child is important as well. The most important thing is how you train them. It is how you take care of them, what you teach them, that is what is more important than what people say concerning your guest children. So don't put yourself under pressure because you want to make your husband's family happy, or because you want to make your family, your husband's lineage, e no go lost. No fear. When that time come, you go cross am. God will give you the wisdom and your husband wisdom to take one. There's a lot of women in this society now. They are great women. In this world, this society where we now, there are a lot of great women in this world who are doing well, who are happy, who their husband they proud of, their parents they proud of, this society they proud of. Now woman be that. Now so it be for man, but now the way you say train your daughters. I have seen a woman who has 4 children. Can I tell you that those 4 children are well trained and well behaved, and if their father they proud of those children. So just imagine now, say they're born boys, and just look, maybe they're born boys and they don't feel take care of the boys, stuff like that, how the life go be. So you know what thing that happen to the world, what thing that happen for the world. The men, boys, they misbehave somehow, they do this. Those ones, no be boys, no be male child. Now male child they be now. Boy, you put yourself under pressure and you want born boy by all means. No, they born again, no rich. Take care of your children. Stand up, you're a mother. Stand for your children. Be proud of them. Be proud of your children. Take care of them. So now what I want to talk about for this video. And please, if you are a man and you are watching this video, stop to disturb your wife. No wife, not being they give pikin, now God. And if you be woman, not they bother yourself again about male child. If God go give you, go give you. And if you be auntie or you be mama, not they disturb your pikin wife, may give him a boy pikin now by force. It did not be your pikin wife. Now they do them. Now God they gives children. So make we stop these things what they do, and make we stop these things. Make we love our children. Make we train them well. Now that one is important. Not be male child or female child. Now the way you take train them, now the way you take discipline them, now go determine what they go be for future. And I go see determine what your old age go be. Because if you born boys children and you not take care of them at your old age, they run up and down, they go police settle, they one police cell, one court, they find lawyer, they go. Then say you born guess and you dey happy, they smile and you they see good things. Wait, so is it because if woman marry, you go change the name to a husband name, now make you say the lineage go lost? You know, a lot of people where they this foreign, a lot of people in this Europe, they be women. The majority now women. They take care of their parents so in Nigeria. Even their brothers so in Nigeria say they proud of their sister here. They do different things. They put their life, themselves for risk just to make their family in Nigeria they okay. So you can't tell me say one male child is more better than 10 children. How? It is not better. Women are doing great things in this world now. Women are doing exploits. Women are better. Women are doing a lot of things that you cannot even imagine that women are doing. They are doing it now. So you cannot just come and tell me that you cannot just come and tell me that one boy is more better than 10 girls. It is not possible. I disagree. I totally disagree with that. Which is my own opinion I'm talking about. I talk about my own opinion. I disagree with what that person talk. I totally disagree. One male child not feel better past 10 children, 10 girls. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How? I want pikin fit better past 10 girls. So Not because we marry, we change our surname, then go come be say we not dey care for our family. No. If man marry, they don't marry. They go face their family. Now few, now they see they try. But the majority, if woman marry, you go see they show love, concern to experience. And just the truth. I beg. Stop bothering yourself. Stop to dey bother your wife. Stop to dey bother your pikin wife concerning make child. So women, be happy that you have girls children. You are proudly called a mother of girls. Take care of your children. Teach them. Discipline them. Make them a better person in the society. That is what is important. Don't lose your life because you want to make your husband or your husband's family happy. And at the end of the day, you will lose your life during the process, and you now put your children in bondage. How? Instead of you praying for another male child. So I advise you now to change that prayer point, to ask for God to give you the power, to ask for God to help you to train those children. Ask for God, pray to God, may help you train those children well, may they become better person for future than you praying for male child after 6 children. I beg. Now, so person don't need to come out and say, you say one boy he better pass 10 girls. Wow, how you say better pass? Because in a man or because in a man. So if you take care of your children well, your generation no go still lost at all. You no go still lost. No let person tell you say all the children when you born because na girls they're worthless. I am not saying make child is not good. No, don't quote me wrong. On my own opinion now they talk concerning these things, say e no dey right for somebody to tell you say one make child better pass 10. One like that, what they do now? Women they go school. Then they'll say, if woman go school, the money you take care of woman, you waste her. Not like that anymore. Women they go school. They know they notice, they know what they happen for life. They help people. They teach people. So, not come out, come to say men, one man is better than 10 women. It is not right. And if what God give me, now I'm born. So if you know say you fit go meet God, say God give my wife boy, but Ben. No problem, but it's not possible. So no good one they born every year because you dey find girl, you can lose your life. You feel lose your life for that thing. So what I would advise you is sit down, take care of your children, those girls, take care of them, make them a better person in society. And trust me, you will laugh, you will smile at your old age. So children are blessings from God. Children are gifts from God. He said, this is what I'll be saying, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you know any man or woman who be say he don't born gay, but he never reach, you see they put pressure. Or if you know people get gay, they're not okay, they're not satisfied for waiting God or to give them, send them this video, tell them may they thank God. Children are blessings. Waiting I want make those people do now to train that children to become better person. Later they go be happy. And that is all. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have not subscribed, what till they wait for? Go and subscribe. Help the ministry. You know what I mean? And as you do that, God bless you in Jesus' name. I will see you in my next video. Bye. I love you.